guys, Lando from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be doing a removal of the outer tail light on a 2020, but this also works on 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic 4-door sedan tail light. Alright, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification. And also hit that like button. And if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. So let's get started. And I forgot to mention, even though we have the bumper off right here, you don't have to take off the bumper. At this moment right now, we're replacing the customer's rear bumper. This one's really easy. All you need is basically a Phillips screwdriver. So get a Phillips like this. It's just gonna be 1, 2, and then pull it out. So hold on to it like this. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Kind of wiggle it out. If you wiggle it out, it will kind of unlock itself. So all you're trying to do if you guys look right here, it's just held on by these plastic little tabs, and you just have to kind of wiggle it and then it'll come off. So don't force it too much, but just kind of just do that little wiggling motion that I did, and you're kind of pulling this way, and it should take off the tabs. Alright, so putting it back on is really easy also. Make sure it's just lined up, or you know, you took off the tail light for a reason. Go ahead and disconnect any of the bolts that you guys need to do or replace it. If you guys need to replace any of the bolts, all you really have to do is twist it, and then, you know, with a towel, take this off and replace the bolts. Or take off all the bolts if you're gonna replace the tail light. So putting it back on, line up the holes in the tabs, then press down. You'll hear that click. And because they're just held on by these bolts right here, make sure you hand tighten them first, that they all line up like that before you start screwing it in. You don't want to strip the nuts or the actual holes right here. Get your Phillips. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification. And if you guys need any parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your prepaid auto body parts source. The link down below is going to be where you can buy this tail light or any accessories for this vehicle. Thank you.